Alright, picture this. China's planning a space mission that honestly sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. They're going to land a spacecraft on a tiny asteroid, scoop up a sample, and then head off to explore a second asteroid that's even farther away. This is Tianwen 2, one of the most daring and ambitious missions in space exploration today. But it's not just about showing off high-tech capabilities. This mission could reveal vital clues about the early days of our solar system, the moon, and even the origins of life. So let's dive into Tianwen 2 and why it's such a big deal. Tianwen 2 is China's next big leap in space. After the success of Tianwen 1, which orbited Mars and landed the Zhurong rover, this mission is venturing into asteroid territory. Its target is a small near-Earth object named 469219 Kamoa. Now, Kamoa isn't just floating out there aimlessly. It's what scientists call a quasi-satellite. That means it follows a unique orbit around the sun that keeps it near Earth. But it doesn't orbit Earth directly like our moon does. It's a kind of cosmic companion that's been quietly tagging along with our planet for years. But here's the kicker. It's tiny. We're talking about an object somewhere between 40 and 100 meters wide. Trying to land a spacecraft on something that small is incredibly difficult. Picture trying to park a drone on top of a speeding car, except that car is moving tens of thousands of kilometers per hour in deep space. That's the level of difficulty Tianwen 2 is up against. So why did China choose this asteroid out of the thousands floating near Earth? Well, there's an intriguing theory. Some scientists think Kamoa might actually be a piece of the moon that was blasted into space by a huge impact long ago. Why do they think that? Because when they measured how it reflects sunlight, its pattern looked a lot like lunar dust, eerily familiar. Even if it turns out not to be lunar debris, Kamoa is still scientifically valuable. Asteroids like it are like ancient time capsules, holding materials from the early days of the solar system. Studying one could help us understand how the planets formed, and maybe even how life began here on Earth. And practically speaking, it's accessible. Its orbit makes it easier to reach compared to other asteroids, which is a big win when planning a complex mission like this one. So what exactly is Tianwen 2 going to do? After liftoff, the spacecraft will perform a gravity assist maneuver, basically using Earth's gravity to boost its speed and trajectory without using more fuel. Once it reaches the asteroid, it won't just do a quick flyby. It will hover near the asteroid and enter what's called a station-keeping phase. During this time, it'll scan the asteroid's surface, measure how fast it spins, analyze its shape, and even figure out its gravity. Then comes the high-stakes moment. Using a robotic arm to collect a sample, that precious material will be sealed in a return capsule, which is built to withstand the intense heat and pressure of re-entering Earth's atmosphere. If everything goes according to plan, the capsule will return to Earth in late 2027, bringing back a piece of this mysterious space rock. But that's not the end of Tianwen 2's journey. After delivering its sample, it'll set off toward a second target, an active asteroid named 311P Penstaras. This asteroid is unusual because it has 6 visible tails. Scientists aren't sure why. It might be shedding material due to fast rotation, or there could be ice beneath the surface. Tianwen 2 could give us answers by getting up close. Now let's get into the tech side of things. Tianwen 2 uses solar electric propulsion, a futuristic sounding system that's actually quite efficient. Instead of big rocket blasts, it uses ion thrusters that emit a steady, gentle push over time. It's not fast off the line, but over long distances, it's incredibly effective, ideal for deep space missions. To collect a sample, the spacecraft is equipped with a robotic arm that can reach out and grab material from the asteroid. That sample is then safely stored inside a specially designed return capsule that can survive the harsh trip back to Earth. Tianwen 2 also has a small companion, a mini satellite that will detach and orbit around Kamoa. This mini orbiter will take high-resolution images from various angles, giving scientists a detailed look at the asteroid's surface and helping them understand exactly where the sample came from. The name Tianwen means heavenly questions, and that's exactly what this mission is about. Asking the biggest questions and going out there to find the answers. With Tianwen 2, China isn't just exploring space. They're combining ambition, science, and vision to shape the future of exploration. If you're fascinated by space, science, or just love incredible human achievements, stick around. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more stories like this.